Now I show you how to use audio files in your application with Localization Flow. At first we create an audio source, and I always check my audio source with main camera, it's on the same point. Okay, nice. And now I can add localization component to my audio source and choose here my key. I have only one, and now I have to specify some action to play the audio clip. I create a new button and move this button to this position. I remove the text field and add text mesh pro text and give a new name, play stop audio. I change the color to black, make this and change the size to 16. Oh, it's okay. Now I can add my localization music button handler, for example, to my button, and I have to specify the audio source. I put this audio source to this field, and now I have to specify the click event. I add a click event, put the button inside there, and now select the on-click function. So, and if I click the play button, and now push the button,
English language is
the
selected.
audio plays. And if I
English language is selected.
click again, I can activate loop, and if I start again and click play,
English language is selected. English language
the audio
is
do
selected.
not stop, it plays always.
English language is selected.
You can
English
modify
language
this.
is selected.